I'm not fussy. I just want a car that feels good and drives well. I mean, drives really well. If I want a car that handles like a school bus, I'll go out and buy a school bus. And design is important. I want a car that's engineered to look good and make me look good. I want a car that looks good when it's on the move, or when it's parked on the street, or even when it's sitting in my garage behind a closed door. I'm not fussy, but I want my car to have the latest gizmo and the latest gizmo's brother-in-law. I want microchips computing my every move. I want a car that's well built and has all that futuristic, kinetic science stuff. And I want to feel totally in control, okay? I want lots of those tiny little abbreviations. I want ABS, EBD, ESP, DSC, and I want them all ASAP. I am not fussy, but I want a car that gives me a little more value and a little less attitude, please. I want to feel safe with airbags all over the place. I mean, I want to be seen driving around town in an inflatable cocoon. And I want space, okay? Come on, it's got to fit me, my friends, my luggage, and my lifestyle. I want headroom, legroom, elbow room, wrist room, ankle room, and chilling room. I'm not fussy. Yalla, just give me everything that I want.